Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Naledi Swaratlhe if it is your first time here, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I really am glad that you came again. Join me in another video. So you guys, today's video is going to be how to do an install. I'm going to show you how to save money and stop spending 700 plus on your installs. Like, you literally only need a few products to get a nice install that you might get or you will get at the salon by a professional. Obviously there's some occasions that require professionals, such as a wedding, matric dance, whatever the case is, but if it's an everyday kind of thing and you just want your install to last for about 2 weeks, this is the perfect video for you. I'm just going to show you how to get your install at home by yourself with products and tools that are honestly simple to find. I find these at Discount, Take a Lot, Clicks, just your local stores. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will walk you through each and every step. Some parts I'm talking, and other parts I'm going to obviously narrate with a voiceover, but I hope that I broke it down as detailed and as simple as possible so you guys can slay your own installs at home and save coaching. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below any other questions that you might have. I did receive a lot of love on my other wig video, which I will respond to a lot of questions via an actual separate video just to clear up some things about ordering hair from AliExpress. So check it out. I will link it in the cards somewhere in the cards up, and yeah, also in the description box. But without further ado, let's get into the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay, so moving on to the ball cap method. So you just need a ball, not a ball cap, what's this, a wig cap. I get like mine from this local wig store, not wig store, rather like Chinese store. They sell everything. They sell lashes, makeup stuff. I don't really buy makeup, but I do buy their lashes. They have really affordable lashes, so I buy in packs so that I don't have to keep buying. This one was 10 rand, so it's pretty cheap. I think China Mall also has them. Guys, the secret to literally having a good lace melt is this and the ball cap method. Some people skip it, it's okay, but personally, especially if I want my wig to last long, don't skip this step. So I just need to wipe it. You just need some rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad. It looks like this. So this rubbing alcohol is 91%. It's perfect for removing your makeup and any excess oils so that your wig can actually stick. You just kind of like want to remove the makeup around the perimeter.
Where you been and where you hiding?
Okay, so everything else I'm going to just do it and then do a voiceover for you guys to hear what I was doing, or hear what am I saying? to just walk you guys through what I was doing and the steps. So for now, so that the video is not extensively long, I'm just gonna do what I do, and then I'm going to do a voiceover over it so that you guys know what I was doing step by step, just so that the video is not too long, because I know that when I talk it takes forever to edit the video and I just say a lot of unnecessary things. But I just want to walk you guys through the first parts before I do a voiceover. The next thing you're going to do is just push your hair back. So I usually just use like Eco Style gel, or I'll use the Ultra Glued Got To Be glue gel. It looks like this. So it just pushes the hair back, but when your cornrows are still brand new, this step is not really necessary. It's just that I do have like a lot of hair in my front.
Crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me.
I usually push it a lot more back, but because honestly right now I have my makeup done, I don't want it to ruin it, but I usually push it like down so that it stretches completely.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna start with the voiceover right here. So as you can see, I'm just applying some got2b glue on the hairline, or just where the hairline starts, and I go in with about 3 layers or as much as I need, and then I let it air dry, but you can use a hair dryer in cool setting. And then I just go behind the ears and create holes in the cap. So it's important to go behind the ear so that it doesn't run too much and destroy your wig cap.
Whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying.
And now I'm gonna like cut in the middle. So what you want to do is use a scissor that is sharp. Don't be like me. I used a blunt scissor and it took forever to do this, and it's advisable to use the small scissors rather than the big ones. And then we're going to go in with some Ghost Bond glue. So as you can see, it's flapping simply because my scissor was not very precise and it wasn't as blunt as it should be. But this can also happen with any other scissors. You can just go in with some got2b glue or Ghost Bond glue and just make sure that the flaps are dealt with, if I can put it that way, and are flat as possible. Also, do not forget to go on the sides where the flaps of the wig is going to go. So then next I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty foundation on the wig cap, and this is just to make sure that it is the same shade as my skin tone when I place the wig on top, and also just to blend it out so that it's not too light for your skin tone.
And that is why we call it the ball cap method, because you want to look bald, like quite literally. Literally the word bold. I'm not saying bald.
So next up, I'm just going to measure with my wig to make sure that there's no overlaps and the wig cap is not running over the lace of the wig. So yeah, just measure that before you put glue. And then I'm going to put about 2 layers of Ghost Bond glue using the end of my edge brush. You can also use a rat-tailed comb for the step because it's more precise. Also go in with about 2 to 3 layers or even more depending on how long you'd like your wig to last. So the longer you want it to last, the more layers you're going to go in with. And then I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation again just to tint the lace. And I put this on off camera because it needed so much of my focus, and this step you really cannot afford to make a mistake because that glue is very, very strong. So then I just get all the other flyaway hairs out of the way and make sure that it's nice and neat before I lay it with an elastic band. So I just push the hair back to make sure that nothing is in the way, and then I use an elastic band. I bought this one on Take-A-Lot. It's very, very long. You can cut it into 2, but I decided that I'm just going to let it be so that it doesn't run. And yeah. Okay guys, so now most of the work is done, but you still want to make your wig look as nice and sleek as possible. So it's just going to be styling. Touch Mega Hold Spray product, and it's honestly the best for kind of making your lace disappear or make it look as invisible and, you know, blended as possible. And usually I apply it to my finger and then go in over the lace instead of just spraying it directly. I notice when you spray it directly, it just ruins the whole thing. But you guys can try whatever works for you. I just apply a little bit to my finger and then tap it onto the lace so that it blends it out. And then I'm going to go in with some fancy powder foundation and just blend out the front part of the lace. I noticed that when you use a lot of product, it does make it look a little bit visible. So you honestly just need a little, like literally a little. And then I'm also going to draw a line in the middle part, or I already did that, I just didn't show it on camera. And I used the same powder brush. Next thing, I'm going to go in with some wax stick. I bought this on Take-A-Lot as well, and a hot comb that I got from Discam, and just make sure that the front part of the wig is flat. I honestly advise doing this in sections. I was feeling very lazy on this day, don't be like me, so just rather do it in sections, like start closer to the ear and then build up to the middle part, and you'll see the difference. Some days I do that, other days I'm so lazy. Don't be like me.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing.
So I already used my olive oil mousse to do my sideburns off camera. This needed quite a lot of focus, but one day when I'm perfect at it and I have practiced enough, I will definitely do it on camera for you guys. So I'm also going to use the mousse on top of my head to take away any flyaways and just to finish up the hair.
Okay guys, this is the final look of the wig or the install, and I love it. Honestly, I'm not gonna do edges or baby hairs. All I did was a bit of sideburns, like on the side, and I think that's what the girlies are doing lately. Like the edges, I think we're doing away with that little by little. But honestly, it depends. Like some days I do my edges, other days I don't do them. It just depends on how I feel. But yeah, overall I love how the wig turned out. It's honestly beautiful. I like the no edges like look, just a little bit of sideburns on the side, and you're good to go. And yeah, you guys, you can do an install like this. It lasts about 2 weeks if you use like 2 layers of this glue. It's called the Ghost Bond glue. It looks like this. You can get it on Take-A-Lot, and it also comes with a glue remover that looks like this, so you know that if you want to take it off earlier than 2 weeks, or even at 2 weeks, it's still pretty strong. You do need like a glue remover. You can't remove it. Your edges are gonna literally leave with the wig. So yeah, obviously what you want to do is make sure that your edges are safe, so you have to use glue remover. Otherwise it stays. Like this wig is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere, and I love it. You can sleep in it and it lasts pretty long, just like braids and things like that. Just a little shorter time. So yeah, that is it for the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will link, or I'll put all the products that I use in the description box below. I'm also going to do another video where I show you guys all the products that you need to make sure that you have a good wig install. Like there are quite a lot of products as well as tools to make sure that you get to a level where you know you do like the salon kind of install. Obviously professional installs are better most of the time, but you can do this at home. That's what I'm saying. Like you can actually save money and do this at home, especially if you are a wig person. You don't want to do installs at the salon every single time. It just depends from person to person. But otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do give it a huge thumbs up if you liked it. I'm definitely going to create more wig videos. There's more wigs that are coming, or there's a wig that's coming I'm still waiting for it. It's still in customs, and I'm going to create more looks and show you guys also how to bleach your knots and all those other stuff. Cool stuff. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult.